Good morning, students. Today, our next topic is the parliamentary form of government. In India, the government is called the parliamentary form of government, or you can also call it the cabinet form of government, because the cabinet is the real executive in it. Okay, it is also called the responsible government, since the cabinet always remains responsible to the legislature for its activities. Now you have to learn what is legislature, what is executive. So legislature is the parliament and all the members of parliament that are included in the parliament, okay, from different constituencies of India. And uh, executive is the council of ministers like cabinet minister, and the prime minister also. Prime Minister is also the head of the Council of Ministers, and President, even he is also called the head of the executive, and he was also elected by the legislature. So there are very close relationship between the legislature and the executive in India. The Council of Ministers is elected from amongst the member of the Parliament, which means that executive emerges out of the legislature. Okay, a person has to be a member of the parliament in order to become a minister. For example, if a person is not elected in the election, or he is not winning the election of Lok Sabha, either Rajya Sabha, he will not be eligible to become a ministers. Okay, this is example from Manmohan Singh, who was our prime minister for 10 years. He is elected from Assam Rajya Sabha constituency. Okay, he was not elected Lok Sabha constituency. Okay, now the responsibility of every minister is the responsibility of the entire council of minister. Okay, the parliament hold the executive accountable through parliamentary questions, that is budgetary approvals, parliamentary committees, etc. Okay, the principle of responsibility of the executive to legislature also entails that if the legislature show disapproval of its confidence in the council of ministers, vote of no confidence, then the executive has to resign the current session. Okay, now you are getting it what is पार्लियामेंट्री फॉर्म ऑफ गवर्नमेंट. तो पार्लियामेंट्री फॉर्म ऑफ गवर्नमेंट क्या है? हमारी सरकार जो है वो संसदीय प्रणाली की सरकार है, यानी जिसमें जो कैबिनेट होती है मिनिस्टर्स की, है ना, जो मिनिस्टर्स की कैबिनेट है वही जो है हमारी असल में सरकार है, और वो जिसके हेड जो है वो प्राइम मिनिस्टर होते हैं, और ये सभी लोग लेजिस्लेचर के प्रति, यानी जो हमारी संसदीय प्रणाली है, संसद है, उसके प्रति ये लोग ज़िम्मेदार होते हैं. कोई भी काम करने से पहले इन्हें जो है पार्लियामेंट की परमिशन लेनी पड़ती है. बिना उसकी परमिशन के या फिर बिना उन्हें विश्वास में लिए ये कोई भी फैसले नहीं ले सकते हैं. ठीक है. नाउ वी आर गोइंग आउट टू नेक्स्ट टॉपिक, दैट इज़ सेपरेशन ऑफ पावर्स. सो बेसिकली आई ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू व्हाट इज़ legislative, what is executive. So now here there is also the power separation between the judiciary also. So you are getting the legislature, that is the both houses of parliament, and after it the executive, that is the council of minister and prime minister, and also included the president of India. So and last is judiciary. Judiciary is our supreme court. Okay, so these three organs of the country running the country smoothly, and the power of attorney sharing between these three. Okay, that is legislative, executive and judiciary. So not talking about legislature, already I told you what is legislature, the both the houses of parliament, and executive, that is the council of ministers and prime minister and president also. And now judiciary refers to the system of courts in the country to stop the misuse of power by any branch of the country. Okay, it also ensures the balance of power between all three organs of the government. So basically the Supreme Court is protect our rights, protect the human rights of citizen of the country, and also control and ensure the balance between the three organs, okay, that is judiciary, legislature, and executive. Okay, so this is the separation of powers.